You right click, you change the setting, and you change it to what? Text. Now any lab assistant or any HOD, when you put in the password, no matter that you have been using the computer for more than 10 years, when you are going to put in the password now, everybody looks at this, at the keyboard like this. Nobody looks at the screen. And all of you are so smart that even if you put in the first 4 characters, if you come to know, all of you know what the entire password will be, right? This is like without using any software. You do not have to install any software. Today, when your brother or sister, when he is going to put in that password, you can change the setting. First time, कोई जिंदगी में पहली बार आके सामने से आके बोलेंगे, ये तो Facebook यूज करने का है, ले, ओपन कर right? You can go on. As soon as you shoulder up, there's something known as shoulder up. Not a very simple step, but this is without using any software at your disposal. Of course, this is the user has to put in the password. Understanding? There are other ways through which you can find out even if the user has not put in the password. But this is one of the simplest tricks which I intended to show you. I hope you understood, right? Now, Facebook is regarded as one of the best ways to hack into India. One of the best ways. Number 1 way to hack into India is using Facebook. I think the time, I'll just continue for more 15-20 minutes and then we'll move on to entrepreneurship in IT itself.
Continue.
Sorry? Okay. Before that, how many people want to become entrepreneurs in IT? It's a very, very good thing. Because officially I am supposed to take seminar on 2 different topics. One is hacking, which I am doing on right now, and the second one is entrepreneurship in technical, this thing, IT domain. Trust me, that is a very wonderful thing itself. What I will do is that right now it's 6:10, I will continue up to 6:30 only on hacking. From 6:30 till what time are you going to say?
7 to 10.
7. Go till 7. From 6:30 to 7 we will go on to entrepreneurship. Okay. Now Facebook is regarded as one of the best ways to hack into India. One of the best. I have got minimum. Okay. How many of you got more than one account into Facebook? Reason?
रीजन क्या है?
खाने का पासवर्ड बस ये है।
फ्रेंड सर्कल।
Okay, password is created another. I have got minimum 5 accounts into Facebook. Minimum 5. 2 of boys, 2 of girls. और एक original account भी रखा है. Boys account, I get very very good looking handsome boys photos. Bodybuilders, gym में जाते हुए, pilot के dress में, and everything like that. And some hunks. Profile is open. Open in the sense even if you are not friends, you can see the entire album and see the photos and everything like that. 2 boys account. And what I have written over there in their profile is single and live in Bombay. Similarly, I have created 2 girls accounts. Fine, well, no indecency, no vulgarity, nothing, but awesomely good looking girls photos. Very very beautiful looking girls photos. The entire profile is open. Even if not, then you can go and see the albums and everything like that. 2 girls accounts. And similarly, I have written what single and live in Bombay. I assume and I know what single means in Bombay. I hope you know what single means in Bombay, right? Single means single and live in Bombay, which means they are from even Bombay. Now from boys account I send request to girls. और girls account से request भेजने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. Boys को तो जाते हैं.
अरे हजार अच्छे.
Let me add. We make the other person feel king or queen of the world. मतलब सामने वाले को इतना महान बना देते हैं कि भाई दुनिया में कोई तेरे को समझे ना समझे लेकिन मैं हूँ तेरे को समझने वाला हूँ. मतलब I am there to understand your world. We will be the best of friends, the best of school, soulmates and everything like that. Anybody who will not understand, I will there. We'll talk, we'll understand, we'll understand, we'll interact and everything like that. Suppose if the boy or the girl is in the final year or is doing engineering, तो मैं अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस करूँगा कि मैं भी धक्का मुक्का मार के इंजीनियर तो बन गया और अभी मेरे को बॉम्बे के अंदर नौकरी लगा है. And then I make them understand part of their world. मैं बोलता हूँ कि तुम लोग की दुनिया कैसी होती है. टीचर और एचओडी बोलते हैं कि प्रोजेक्ट करो, पापा बोलते हैं डिग्री लो. अपने को कोई समझने वाला ही नहीं है. And then I make you understand part of my world. मैं बोलता हूँ धक्का मुक्का मार के मैं इंजीनियर तो बन गया लेकिन बॉम्बे की लाइफ इतनी अच्छी नहीं है यार. वो सुबह सुबह ट्रेन के धक्के खाने पड़ते हैं. वो बहुत सी चकचक एंड एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्ल्स फील दैट ये कितना अच्छा बंदा है. Somebody is understanding, somebody is interacting, somebody is also guiding me what to do and what next and everything like that. And then we also make a patch that will only talk between 8 to 10 or will only talk between 10 to 12. Why? Because मैं बोलता हूँ कल के देखो भी कॉलेज जाना है, डिग्री लेना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, प्रोजेक्ट में मैं भी तेरा काम करूँगा, मेरे को भी सुबह के ट्रेन के धक्के खाने हैं, everything like that. तो सामने वाले लड़के और लड़की को लगता है कितना महान बन रहा है. Somebody who is helping me, somebody who doesn't even want my studies to get affected, and somebody who will be there to guide me. I'll give one simple example. अगर मैं पहले दिन में किसी लड़की को ऐड करता हूँ ना, उसको लिखता हूँ Hi, how are you and how was your day? The girl will reply something. Second day, again when the girl comes online, I write the same thing. Hi, how are you and how was your day? The girl will reply something. तीसरे दिन पे कुछ पूछने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. लड़की कुछ सामने से आके बोलती है, अरे तेरे को पता है क्या हुआ? And then she will नर्सरी से लेके अभी तक प्लस आजू बाजू वाले का जितना भी जीके होगा ना जनरल नॉलेज सब हो जाएगा राइट। और वन फेसबुक अकाउंट हाउ मेनी पीपल कैन यू टॉक विद? मिनिमम 3 or 4 or 5. I literally talk with 5 boys or 5 girls in a row and I never meet a single thing of what I say to a single girl. अगर पहली लड़की को लिखा ना हाय हाउ आर यू, वही कॉपी करके थर्ड को पेस्ट करेगा, वहां से उठा के फिफ्थ को पेस्ट, वहां से उठा के फोर्थ को पेस्ट, because by the time the girls reply or the boys reply it gives me enough time to talk with the other 2 3 4 or 5. और लड़का या लड़की को ज्यादा लिख देता है ना तो मैं लिखता हूँ डॉट 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 करके छोड़ देगा, मतलब सामने वाले को लगता है अरे यार ये सुन रहा है, ये समझ रहा है, ना मैं सुन रहा हूँ ना मैं समझ रहा हूँ, because I am busy with the other 2 3 4 or 5. और जैसे ही रात के 8:45 9:30 बजते मैं बोलता हूँ माय डियर फ्रेंड इट इज टाइम टू बिड गुड बाय, बिकॉज़ कल के देखो भी कॉलेज जाना है, देखो ट्रेन के धक्के खाने, फिर हमारा वही वो जीएन यूएसडी ओटीसी एंड ऑल द स्टाइल्स कभी पेश करते हैं एवरीथिंग लाइक दैट। डू थिंक आई वुड एक्चुअली गो टू स्लीप एट 10 o'clock? 8 से 10 से और को टाइम मिलता है, 10 से 12 से और को मिलता है, एंड इट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन एंड ऑन based on my company surveys. It has been a record up till now the past 3 years. At the end of 3rd day or max to max at the end of 5th day, every girl has ended up giving a mobile number. At the end of 5th day, we get the girl's mobile number. We get access to our other features. We also come to know the nature of the girl. What does she like? Where does she stay? And everything like that. I'm asking all the boys over here. It takes girls 3 days or max to max 5 days for us to give the mobile number. How much time does it take you boys would take to give your mobile number?
1 hour. 10 minutes.
आधे लड़के लोग ने तो मोबाइल नंबर मोबाइल के ऊपर ही लिखा हुआ रहेगा, स्मार्ट कितना भी होगा हमारे इट टेक्स लेस देन 1 day. और जब लड़के लोग मोबाइल नंबर देते हैं ना इट कम्स अलोंग विद 24 सर्विस आल्सो कि ये मेरा मोबाइल नंबर है, तो बॉम्बे में किधर कुछ भी काम होगा ना मेरे को बोल देना, मेरे को टीवी मालूम है, मेरे को चौपाटी मालूम है, मेरे को बेटा भी पता है, आई नो एवरीथिंग वेयरएवर यू वांट टू गो टेल मी, देखो बॉम्बे में किधर कुछ भी तकलीफ होने नहीं दूंगा, यू टेल मी वेयर यू वांट टू गो। अगर उसके लड़के के खुद के पिताजी ने उसको बोला ना कि बेटा रात के 9 बजे जरा मुझे नाके तक छोड़ के आना, और तभी उसी टाइम पे अगर वो उस लड़की के साथ बात कर रहा होगा जाएगा
जाना पड़ेगा।
further with this survey, imagine all the boys, this beautiful looking girl, 3-4 days we are talking, numbers have already been exchanged. We took 10 boys on the part of our survey and we sent a message from that girl's account to that boy saying that come let's meet tomorrow at CCD or McDonald's at 5 o'clock. Suppose if I send this request to 10 boys, how many boys must have come?
9.
The same request that we send to you.
नहीं हमारा
If I send it to the 10 simple boys, yes.
सब बैटरी
10 में से 10 आएगा।
बैटरी
बराबर। Now suppose अगर 10 में से 10 जन आए, 7 लोग ने तो पहले यहाँ बोल दिया था, remember what is my line? Come let's meet tomorrow at CCD or McDonald's at 5 o'clock. 7 लड़के लोग ने तो हाई बोल दिया ना, 3 लड़के लोग ने क्या बोला पता है? You want us to meet at 5 AM or 5 PM? तो tell them boss, हम लोग शाम के 5 बजे बुला रहे हैं। Understanding? All the boys must have gone. Do you think they must have informed their parents about it? No. I'm sorry, parents. My mistake. Totally out of question. Parents को भूलिएगा. Do you think they must have informed their best friend also?
No.
Those are saying yes. Let me tell you, आजकल कोई बेस्ट फ्रेंड को भी इन्फॉर्म नहीं करता क्योंकि पता चला बेस्ट फ्रेंड ही जाके मिल के आएगा। So even best friends have not been informed. Girls were laughing and giggling. The same story happens to you also. You think you inform your parents about this? Very less chance. You inform your best friends? Very less chance. These are the cases which are happening. 3 boys were called. All 3 of them were kidnapped. Money was demanded. Money was paid. In spite of that, all 3 of them were killed. Girls have been called, physically abused. Many of them have been transferred out of state. Quite a few have been transferred out of India also. We have seen cases where girls, when they try to run away, their bodies have been thrown out of moving trains. और बॉम्बे में थोड़ा टपोरीगिरी लेवल का भी चालू हो चुका है आजकल। मतलब लड़के लोग को बुलाते और बोलते कि तू अकेले मत आना, साथ में तेरा लैपटॉप या स्मार्टफोन जो भी होगा ना वो लेके आना। और बेंच टाइम जैसे एरिया में बुलाते हैं, कोई लड़की आती नहीं है, 4-5 टकोरे लोग आते हैं, उसको बराबर का बजाते हैं, स्मार्टफोन और लैपटॉप लेके गायब हो जाते हैं। You think boys will complain like that? Very less. But these are the instances which are happening, particularly in a college life. Boyfriend girlfriend relationship is very common. मतलब एक तो होना ही चाहिए। और जब तक रिलेशनशिप चालू है तब तक दुनिया जन्नत है। मतलब everything is heaven. Lot of things have been shared, SMSs, photos, videos, and everything like that. But what happens when the relationship is broken off? अभी क्या हाल होता है? और वो जमाने गए कि हम लोग जैसे लड़के लोग ऐसे देवदास बन के बैठा करते थे यार गम की दुनिया में झूठ जान लो, एक गई तो दूसरी है, something like that kind of attitude is been followed. But when the relationship is broken off, it is pure jealousy and revenge. An incident like that happened in one of the top most IIM colleges in India. Boyfriend girlfriend relationship was going on. Their final semester was going on. Their placement was also done. The girl had got a job of more than 18 lakh rupees. All she needed to do was submit one project, appear for a finals, and then a degree was also done. Somebody managed to hack into a boyfriend's account, got hold of a video between the boy and the girl, and circulated the entire video to the full class of 60 students. Next day, when the girl must have entered the class, उसका क्या हालत हुआ? The video became so popular that within a span of 2 days, the entire IIM college came to know of that video. The principal called that girl. He asked the girl to leave the college. Her job was also taken away. Her admission was also taken away. Final year, final semester, everything was taken away. The girl came to us. We decided to investigate the case. The case was solved. It came to be known that the boyfriend's friend